adversity, this team.
Big L, boy. L's, boy. Big L, boy. L's, boy. Man. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Get down, man.
They came up with this. DC. Let's go.
Stop playing. Hey, we do this. Stop playing, man. Miz, man. Proud of that dude, man. He carried this team on his back, and nobody believed in him, but everybody in this locker room did, and he took us home.
Jake, yes. Evan, great job, man.
I believed in you.
Hey, you scored. You scored.
We're the best team in history. We're the best team in history.
Best team in Mizzou history.
Champs.
Champs.
Let's do it.
AJ Walk.
What is your main emotion you're feeling?
Just gratitude for this team.
Thank you. Congratulations.
In my Z.
Honestly, but just so proud of this team and the way we bounced back from adversity last year. The way we kept hope alive in this game alone. Going into halftime with 0 points.
It means everything. This is everything that we've worked towards.
Where we at? It's gonna keep going up.